Want richer texting on Android? In 60 seconds I'll show you how to enable RCS messaging. Start by opening the Settings app from your home screen or app drawer. Tap Apps or Apps and Notifications, then select See All Apps to view installed apps. Scroll or search for Google Messages and open the App Details page. Tap Notifications or directly access Advanced to find chat features or messages settings. Open Chat Features, then toggle Enable Chat Features or use Google Messages for chat. If asked, agree to terms and verify your number. This activates RCS through your carrier. Wait while it connects. You'll see connected or registered when RCS is ready. Back in Google Messages, open the app and tap the three dots, then Settings and Chat Features. Confirm that Chat Feature shows connected and that typing indicators are on. If it fails, try switching networks, updating the app, or restarting your phone. That's it. Enjoy richer messaging with read receipts, typing indicators, and high-quality media.